Hello friends, I am Pradeep Patel and you are watching Technical Blogger. Today we will learn how to add social share buttons in our website or a post friends. So we have to go our plugins area first. We have to install a plugin. We will click add new plugin and then look for a search box. And here we have to search add any share. Okay. There are lots of plugins for these friends, but I personally like and I will recommend it this to you. You can see there are lakhs of installation, active installation, 4.5-star reviews. So just click here install now button and then click active. So you will get your plugin in your installed plugins. I have to find here. Here it is, add to any share buttons. I will go to the settings. At here I can change my icon style like pixel 32 to 40. I can change its background like I want custom and I want its background on black. Okay, no, I want it yellow. I can also add and remove services from here like I want WhatsApp also here. I can change its placement, sharing header like share this or okay, I will share this. Okay friends, then you can also add additional JavaScripts, additional CSS here. Okay, I don't want to add, so I will click on save changes. Then I will look for my website. Here you will see my social share plugins are here. I will click on this. It will redirect me to share this post or page to my Facebook because I have clicked on Facebook. Okay, I can share this post from here. So thank you for watching friends. This is enough for this video. I will be back.